Columbres.
Up and undershot,
And look who's
rejected
there.
by Malyabo.
Malyabo, but that time, Enriquez will not be denied. Demabit, however, does not get the bucket to go. Here is Denden. He will sky, and a foul will be called against Martinez once again. Second try for Enriquez. Money. Jordan C. Nowhere to go.
Oh,
and
yeah. Steal and a conversion for Enriquez.
Anong tawag mo doon, partner?
Oh,
Still having trouble inbounding the ball. Itong Valenzuela Jr. progress. Will this be another steal? Yes, it will. And Enriquez will get the pound-for-pound fitness foul counted play to go as isa lang. There's the steal and Denden with the lay-in.
What is obvious, right? Kikita naman natin that the coaching staff is just doing it.
Of the ball handling problems by Valenzuela. Napilitan ng ibalik ulit dito si Martinez, but they lose the ball once again.
Yeah.
And Enriquez, lalo na sa mga fast breaks na ganon.
Anong nakikita mo dito at this level, parang si Enriquez pa yung pinakamama sa kanila,
Right.
no?
And mama indeed.
While he is only 14, no?
Then in the second period, ito yung isang layup. Another layup before that, foul counted pa nga yun. At ito naman yung putback, and look at how long this kid is. Denden Enriquez.
Santos dati, di ba? When he was starting, no?
And that save by Malyabo goes to the wrong person, to Manalo. Now here is Enriquez and the long arms of Denden Enriquez. Sumakay pa kayong lahat.
You know, looking at Denden Enriquez, no, kita mo itong foul counted na ito na ginawa niya. No? That was number 10.
Oh, that was number 10. Check that.
Banyel.
Oh, that, yeah, Venezuela City. And these are the halftime highlights. And there he is. Here is Denden. He will drive to the middle.
Oh.
And the finger roll is money. Parang si Villarreal running now.
Nice
Decides to pass. And that was a great play on the fast break. Villarreal to Denden Enriquez. That was Banyel, if I'm not mistaken. And of course,
That was the
Marikina.
last play. Yeah.
Denden Enriquez, and look at these, the handles, unreal. The drop-off, hindi lang pumasok yung initial shot, but Andres made up for it.
And then, meron ka bang gustong pasalamatan or batiin mga nanonood sa'yo ngayon?
Binabati ko po lang yung mama and papa ko nanonood, sa tita ko, kaya kay Tito Popo, sa coaches ko po, tsaka sa mga tropa ko sa Notayo, yun lang.
Once again,